mag-attend mi og kasal. So mag-outfit check sa ta. So mao ni mong outfit do kami sa akong sister. So moadto mi mao ni ang kuan sa ilang kasal kanang murag unsa to day? Ash
Color code. Ay, color code.
color basta may color sila pero pwede naman daw dili ka mo kuan nila mo dili daw mo suot o mga kanang pare sa ilang gusto nga color ba. So mao ni siya. See you there. Maayos ka papugumin ba? We're back. So naami diri karon sa simbahan nila sa Evangelical Church. So wala pa kayo tao no. Ano ba? So wala kayo pa tao niya ang bride kay naa pa dito ga photoshoot dito sa kuan nursery. So wala pa kay tao diri. Abi na mug late na mo na mi kay ingon magalaon na niya. Wala pa di. Wait lang. So mauna ang groom si Roy. Hi, tita.
Karon pa mo.
Gani.
Kanto kami.
Ha? Lagi na
Si
to.
mama ni Roya to pa sa dalom. Ay, sige. Kung kamanay ka.
Dari na lang kita tayo.
Oo.
So na nami diri sulod sa simbahan. With my sister. Iyaw ng classmates from no? Grade 3 to from grade 3 to ang babae ha. From grade 3 to senior high school. Senior high? Best friend na niya dayon. Ang lalaki taga Australia. So sige maglaag sa balay, sumurag ng best friend na pag may so gi-upper ko. So mo na siya. Nami diri karon. So na-plaster na sila sa gawas, manulod na sila mga kuan. Mga kasilunod. Na sila sa gawas, ready na. Mao pa'y pag-abot sa mama sa lalaki. Mao na lagi paabot niya. Naabot na. So nagsugod.
gave me you when I was lost. He led me through, no matter the cost. Now every day I see His grace. Every time I see your face, God gave me you, and I won't let go. You're the love He knew my heart would know. We've walked through storms, we've seen the sun. With you I know the best to come. Through highs and lows, through joy and pain, your love has stayed, it won't change. You're more than just my dream come true.
This is the day that in the presence of these witnesses, kindly face each other, look at the eyes of each other. Roy, please say your promises to your wife. Say your vows.
Rhea, I'm so happy to be joined today in marriage with you. I promise that every day I won't take it for granted. I will try to live peacefully and happily and try to have reduced friction and to get along as best we can every day so that our love can grow every day. Amen.
Thank you for being my mom, my support girl. In my safe place, you make me feel protected, loved, and chosen every single day. I promise to always respect you, cherish you in small moments, and to love you through the riches and the forest season. You are not my husband, but you are my best friend in my answered prayer of life forever.
Thank you. And this one's faithful for the giving of symbols. Do you have symbols of love and commitment like rings? Do you have rings? Just give me the rings. The wedding ring is the outward and visible sign of an inward and spiritual bond that unites two loyal hearts. Amen. Brothers and sisters in the Lord, I'm happy to introduce to you the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Roy and Rhea. Laxton. Congratulations, Laxton. You are now Mr. and Mrs. Laxton. Right? Okay, congratulations. You mean now is your bride. Music, please. And after which, our pictorials. Okay? Signing of marriage certificate for the sponsors and yours truly.
Every time I see your
Okay, so good afternoon everyone. Again, so congratulations to Rhea and Roy. And this time, I would like to request Pastor to lead the ceremony to please have a photo opportunity. Okay, welcome to this love. Okay, tapos kung mabasa lang ini, we will shout, hey, hey, hey. Okay? Ang inyong magbulong naman ang buwan nila. Okay, ang ato ng flower girls, si Ed. Flower girls. Dina.
Okay, kamu na sa likod, palakpak ka mo, makita ka mo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, wave!
Sumana jud ang kuan diri sa simbahan. Magawas na may magtinig reception. Malakat ra diri dool ra diri sa may covered court diri sa Barangay Mansalangan. So magawas na Hi, Day. Ga-vlog ko. Ga-vlog ko. Wag ka na dito. Saan? Isa na. Video. Naglakat mi pa doon sa kuan covered court. Dool ra kaayo. Dito ilang reception. Sakit na akong tiil sa akong kuan, sa akong heels. Ang laylay na. So dool ra kayo nara dira o.